How to create transparent profile photo on TikTok. So if you want to create a transparent profile photo on TikTok, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your Google or your browser and search for transparent photo. Once you've searched, now you can simply go with the images section, and from here you can download any image that you're comfortable with. So I'll just simply go with the first one for the example. Now you need to download this image. Once you've downloaded the image, now you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, now you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. Tap on the profile picture. Select the video that you've just, select the photo that you've just downloaded and add to your profile. Or just simply tap on edit profile and tap on change photo. Tap on select from gallery. Select the image. Tap on next. Tap on save. And that's it. That's how you can create a transparent profile photo on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.